Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You got a hair on your face. Anywho, we just thought we'd come out for a mooch around Pattaya city, try and find something different that we've not seen before. We've started at Central because that's where we park the car, which is where we normally start, but we've come out on Second Road instead of Beach Road, and we're just going to have a look up some of the back Soi'S, I think, and just have a general mooch about. So like I say, we're going up some of the back Soi'S. I have no idea which Soi this is. Flipper house. Bless you. There's a bit of everything down this one. This is actually Soi 7. So you've got pharmacies, bars, hotels, massage. There's even a clothing shop up there. So yeah, this one is just the usual bit of everything. Oh, that looks good. Pattaya Glow. Mini golf, golf simulator, sports bar, hotel, restaurant, nightclub and karaoke. Cool. Beer bar complex. There's actually quite a few beer bar complexes down here. Wow. Ooh, let's rent that. One way to make a small fortune in Pattaya is to start with a large fortune and buy a bar. Tuk tuk, tuk tuk. On Beach Road now. Well, we've cocked up, we've come up Soi 9, which is basically where we started off, because there's Central Pattaya. So we started off the top of this one. Wah, wah, wah. Dude looks like a lady. Food vendors. Lots of food. Yeah, apart from the 7-Eleven, the hotels and the food vendors, there's nothing up Soi 9? Soi 9. So yeah, back to where we started. The top of Soi 9, there's Central, and this is where we walked before. So yeah. So we decided to go straight on this time instead of going up that Soi, and typical Thai footpaths where you have to walk on the road because the footpaths just, well, just look. I mean, walking along this one with all the holes in it, and then there's a bloody tree in the way. So here's another perfect example of Thai footpaths. Yeah. Keep to the footpath. Yeah. Anywho. God knows where we're walking to here. Sidewalk under construction. Please be careful. No shit, Sherlock. I mean, look. And then I have to tell you that. Yeah. Even the sidewalk they are constructing, well, it kind of looks like that. And just duck underneath this wire. And then you've got a big thing in the way. This is a pretty looking park. It's a well trimmed bush. There's a hole in the path, so let's make a stepping stone. Hey, you'll love it. And then yeah. I know we keep talking about paths, but come on. I mean, come on. Now, the next site to walk down is a bit of an infamous one. It's Soi'S. Now, I think I'll have to put you guys away going down here, because the girls down here don't like camera. Truck of ice. So if you know, you know. It's quiet at the minute, but later on tonight you'll not be able to walk down here for girls the other side trying to drag you into the bars. So I had one quick drink in a bar on Soi'S, obviously didn't film it, and now we're on Beach Road heading back towards the car, which is miles away. So this is Beach Road, named obviously because there's the beach. Hard Rock Cafe. So we're going to actually go into the Hard Rock shop to see if we can get a pin, because we have a friend who collects pins, don't we, Chris? Pin acquired. Next. Right people, we're nearly at the end of this video. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, do all that good stuff. Find me on Facebook, TerryTracker. Find me on Instagram, again, just TerryTracker. And follow those too. Now, do it now. Here, you get to choose which one you want. I want that one.
Ruby fish.
I want that one. I want that one. Get a look at this dude. Yeah, that was a dude. That's the Hilton Hotel, Central Pattaya Mall, and that's where we parked the car. So I'm going to end this little walkabout video now. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.